Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. So now we are going to see the Nifty view for coming budget that is going to happen on February 1st, 11 a.m. My view completely based on the advanced method that is GAN method. It is our own strategy. So based on that, I'm going to give a levels. So in previous video, I have already given a clear instruction that the market is going to fall for a correction, not a crash. It is going to be a correction fall. So it is exactly started from the point which I mentioned. See, this is the sheet I've already shared in the Telegram channel. So from 14,400 to 14,641, if there is any reversal patterns, so you can go for a sell. The target will be ultimately 13,456. So now the Nifty at 13,600 to 630 range. So this is the range now it is trading at. So I'm expecting the further fall towards 13,456. So anyway, if Nifty enters to this zone, we can start accumulate the good stocks, the quality stocks, which is in the Nifty 50 or Nifty 100. Even the Nifty 500 also it is fine. So you always find a very good liquidity stocks and very good fundamental strong companies. So we are ready to buy now. So Nifty has to bounce from this zone again. So once it is entered to this zone, there will be accumulation. It will goes on. So once the breakout happen, the ultimate target is 15,376, and the maximum target is 16,384. So once this 16,384 taken out, then we'll come out with other video. What will be the next? So now there is no the big breakouts. So anyway, the Nifty has to trade between 12,544 and 16,384. This is the entire range for this coming this 2021. So any breakout, even the downside or in the upside, I'll make another video for the next levels. So now for the budget, so we can expect the market to fall further till 13,456. So from here also it can bounce, and or it can fall even more, and from here it can bounce back. So anyway, it is a buy and dip market from here on. So keep eye on this 13,456. So even I'll show you with the chart. So you can see the chart. So now the market is reversing from here. It is a clear reversal pattern. So now it is falling. So we have to ready to buy at this level 13,456 to 12,544. So our stop loss will be around 11,664. So in case market break this level, then we can expect a further fall. Otherwise, the market will bounce back towards our target 15,376 and even more 16,000. So tomorrow we will be a buy and dips market. So better if you are a small capital player, stay away from the market because I'm expecting a volatility in the huge volatility in the market. So if you are a positional trader, then you can start buying a Nifty stocks. I'm not telling that to buy a Nifty index or future. Um, not index oriented. So I'm just telling the stock specified. So always try to buy a very good quality stocks which is trading in the Nifty 50 or the maximum will be Nifty 100. So in that script you choose and try to invest small amount of your capitals. So it is not a like go and buy in the next day itself the entire 1 lakh 2 lakh capital. Just a accumulation zone to try to accumulate when Nifty is trading at this level. Okay, so this is the best range to accumulate. So you try to accumulate once the Nifty enter into this particular zone. So I don't want to waste your much time. So tomorrow I'll be in buy side once Nifty entered to this zone. So any reversal pattern, even in the smaller time frame, I'll try to buy it. So I'll not look for any selling opportunity. So anyway, I'm going to be a bullish. tomorrow. So if I get any kind of pattern in the smaller time frame, even if it is 5 minutes, if I get double bottom or inverted head and shoulder or any trend line breakouts, so I'll be buying it. That is my view. So don't panic about budget. So any, even if budget not satisfied the investors also, the market will not fall below 12,544. So anyway, this will be the good accumulation zone for all. So don't miss this opportunity. If you miss this, then we will miss this particular upside momentum, that next bull run. So I'm eagerly waiting for this zone to accumulate good stocks. So while I'm taking a position, I'll definitely let you know the stocks which you want to trade. Okay, weekly views earlier I used to give it, but recent past I've stopped it. Now I'm going to start again because Nifty is at buy zone. Okay, I'll give you a weekly suggestion for the good stocks. You can pick that also for in your portfolio. The target will be ultimately 15,376. So any dip towards this tomorrow, intraday also, it is a buying opportunity. So always you look for a smaller time frame for intradays. So if you are an investor, then wait till day after tomorrow. On Tuesday you can go and buy a good stocks. Okay, let's check the market direction tomorrow. So I'll be in buy on dips. So I'm expecting buy from this zone, or even it can come and test this level also. For technically it is a support level, so even market can test this level. So don't go and sell it because already sell is done. So whatever the sell, if it is going to happen tomorrow, it is like a manipulation, or it is like uh, that stop loss hunting only. So anyway, market going to reverse. So get ready to for a good stock buy. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. So don't panic about tomorrow budget. So that is the main thing I want to tell you all, because the market is not going to crash like corona. So anyway, if market falls below this level, then it is a time to accumulate. So don't miss this opportunity. I'll give you the suggestions also, few stocks. um, and moreover, tomorrow the small retail traders, please don't trade or take any positions even in the options also, because tomorrow it is not a normal day. It is going to be a volatile day. So stay away from the market. We will take an entry on the next day, Tuesday. Okay, thank you all.